how I make money as an influencer.
Soldier boy, tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back through.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, I do have a new video for you guys, and this video is going to be all about how I make money as an influencer. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. If you're interested in that type of content, head on over to my channel. Click the like, subscribe, all those buttons. Helps me so much. But please don't forget to like this video because it really helps my videos be seen by the majority. So I am going to be looking at my iPad. I don't have my case on because I wasted coffee in my bag today and my case got ruined, but I'll be ordering a new one. But I am going to be looking down at my iPad because I wrote down some things that I wanted to make sure I talk about. So if you guys want something like how I grew my Instagram, because I did recently grow my Instagram to over 41,000 followers, big jump. If you want something like that, definitely let me know. But today I'm going to be doing on how I make money because I don't have a regular job. The only income that I have coming in is from social media, and that's how I still, you know, do everything that I want to do, go on trips, get new clothes, my hair done, my nails done, all that stuff. It comes from my social media money. I am a micro influencer. If you don't know micro, I don't really know the exact terminology of like the range of micro influencers, but I do consider myself one because I don't even have 10K on, I don't want to say it like that, because I do have like about 6,000 on YouTube, which is not a lot compared to like people like Aaliyah and Kyra, hundreds of thousands of followers or subscribers on YouTube. And then I am moving up, but I'm still very micro in like TikTok and Instagram and stuff. I want to give a little bit of background. I did start my YouTube channel, I believe, in April of 2020, around, you know, COVID time, and I have grown to 6,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm very thankful for all of you guys and the people that continuously support me. I'm very grateful for you guys. I do want to grow here. All right, so I will put my stats on the screen of my Instagram, my TikTok, my Pinterest, my YouTube. So the first thing, that if you do watch these types of videos, a lot of content creators talk about Google Adsense. And now what Google Adsense is, when you see ads in people's YouTube videos, those ads relate to money for the YouTuber. So when people say things like, please make sure you watch the ads and click on the ads, when you engage in ads or watch ads, it brings more revenue in for YouTubers. So if you do have a YouTube channel and you guys are monetized, you will be able to make money from ads that are shown in your videos. Now this is just a very small portion of my income. YouTube does not pay me that well, but I still do it because I know it can be very lucrative if I stick it out. I love to make videos, I love to do YouTube, I love to educate you guys on fashion and beauty and just show you guys bits and pieces of my life. So I still do it even though it's like the least amount of money that I do make from all of my other streams of income. So the next form of income is from sponsorships. Now these sponsorships are for YouTube purposes. So originally when I did start out, or like the first or second year of me doing YouTube, I did have a long contract with Dossier. If you go back and watch some of my videos, you will see me mentioning Dossier all the time. That was one of my sponsorships, and sponsorships can be in the form of a full dedicated video for a sponsor or a brand, or it could be like a 1 to 2 minute segments, and those are like the ones that I like to do because I love to just put out original and creative content that I want to do and then just add a sponsor in there instead of dedicating a whole video. But I do have a dedicated video, like a recent one that I have which was the ghost bed video. Sent me a mattress pad and I did a review and an entire video dedicated to that brand. And with these types of sponsorships, the company either reaches out to you via email or like DM, but mostly via email, or you can reach out to companies as well. I'll get into that a little bit later in this video about reaching out to companies and things like that. I do suggest you have a media kit. I can get more in depth into that in another video. Let me know if you want that in the comments. You guys have a fixed price that doesn't have anything to do with YouTube or ads or anything. It's just you and that brand working together. Okay, another form of sponsorships that I do receive money from is in the form of Instagram and Reels, and also TikTok. So these are the same type of idea as the YouTube sponsorship, and you can charge a set price for a Instagram post. I have a set price for Instagram posts. I have set prices for Instagram stories and Instagram Reels. Those are all different prices. You guys can negotiate, and once you create that content for the brand, they send you your money, you post the content, and that's just that on that. The next stream of income, it's not really a different stream of income, but it's a different avenue of getting these types of sponsorships, are from websites. So the two main websites that I use to get sponsorships and communicate with brands, not via email but through a third party, are Intellifluence. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I'll have it on the screen. Intellifluence is basically a website where they connect creators to brands. You'll be able to look at different campaigns that are available for you. You can set your prices on Intellifluence of like the range of, oh, if I want to charge $50 for a TikTok, I can put that in the system and they'll send you campaigns that are willing to pay you $50 for a TikTok. They get all of your information, such as like your Instagram insights, how many followers you have, subscribers you have. And then the second website that I do use to get brand deals is Aspire. Now this one is a little bit more like upscale. You have to have reviews within these campaigns to get like more campaigns. So I'm just starting out on this website, but I do like it so far. I have gotten some like brand ambassador deals and relationships where you get free products and you're able to post like an Instagram story or something, and then you get commission, and usually that's like a foot in the door. So once you start working with these brands, maybe for a cheaper price than what your rate is originally, and you produce for these brands, meaning that you get people to buy their items or click on the link or just have more exposure for the brand, then they're more likely to, of course, pay you, and you guys can work on like long-term collaborations. So my next form of income is affiliate links. Now in the beginning of the year and last year, I worked with a website called Pongo Shares, and it was majority based on for AliExpress items, and that was like my biggest stream of income was from that website and the affiliate links on that website. So any link that I gave you guys in any of my videos and the descriptions and any of that stuff are affiliate links, and once you click on them and if you buy it, then I'll get a very small like 5% of the commission basically. So but that website did shut down, which is very unfortunate, but they still do have like a direct AliExpress affiliate link program. So I do use that, but it does not bring in like nearly the amount of money that I was getting with the Pongo Share website, but that is a form of income that I do have. And then the other form of income that I'm sure you guys have heard about is the Amazon influencers or Amazon storefront. I've been doing Amazon storefront for over a year now, and that is another form of income for me. It's the same thing as the AliExpress one, where I share items with you guys, and if you guys click the links and you want to purchase items that I've already purchased, then I get a very small like 4% or something like that of commission from the item. The next form of income is from TikTok, and I'm sure you guys have heard of this one as well, which is the TikTok Creator Fund. My TikTok has been pretty like up and down lately. Like I have some viral posts, but very much stagnant. So this is not a big form of income for me, but it is a monthly source of income that I do get, and it's based on views and everything. All right, last but not least, this is my newest form of income, and it is from Pinterest. So if you don't know, Pinterest does have a basically creator fund like TikTok has. So the more that you post on Pinterest and the more that people pin your items and like your items, share your items, things like that, they can track all of that stuff and you get a commission based on that. So it's basically like a TikTok creator fund, but Pinterest is doing it. That was all of the ways that I make money, and I support myself through college and everything without having like a 9-to-5 or any type of part-time job. It's just social media, and there are literally seven ways that you guys can make income. And things, if you guys do want to decide to do social media, it is very lucrative. I know I'm a very small micro influencer, but I know the goals that I have for myself, I know I'm going to be able to reach them. And yeah, so if you guys want any more information about anything about influencing, I'm really interested in talking about it because I feel like I've learned a whole bunch between these last 3 years. So I hope I was very transparent. If you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know down in the comments, and I will see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.